Step 3 of the search process is to use subject terms of the database and limiters. So I like to say you are learning to think like the database. So step 2, you had put in keywords that you thought of, and now you've gotten results. So you're going to revise your search based on your results. You are finding that cell phones, teenagers, both those words are actually listed in the subject headings of this database. This is really good, actually. You guessed how to think like the database. Now the communication, I am finding that in here. That one may not be found as easily or as readily in your results. But I want to show you, if you didn't have them already, could definitely put those now in your search and change it to where it said subject, subject term, and that's also a subject term. So that's one way to do it, is you check these and you change your terms, and then you put that it's searching in the subject terms. And then also, the second part, besides thinking like the database in terms of subject terms, the second part is to use this area to the left in the EBSCO products. So the left side allows you to limit to full text, and also source type. If you really just want magazines, you can actually click on magazines. I will say you got to check what your teacher wants, because a lot of those teachers do want the academic journal. So just saying, you gotta double check that. So I'm going to actually take it off magazines. The other thing that you can do on this search, at least, is you could have right now changed your subject term here. Okay, so I used the aspect up at the top where I said actually subject, which it changed it once I started to use those results. But let's just do this real fast and show you our results. So we had 351 with our first search, and now we've broken it down to 134. So very specific to subject heading cell phones, subject heading teenagers. Communicate is still being able to be found in various ways. And then the limiters. All right, we did not use the limit by date, but you can play around with all this. So keep being creative, keep having fun with these searches, and you will just find that you get better and better as you go.